This is Phil Zacchio. On today's Schoeneck King Business in 2024 webinar, we discussed the current challenges facing colleges and universities originating out of on-campus protest activities in connection with the ongoing Israeli and Hamas conflict. Among other things, we discussed ongoing enforcement efforts by the United States Department of Education's Office for Civil Rights, and in particular, a series of guidance documents issued by OCR culminating in a May 7 Dear Colleague letter, providing guidance to schools on their obligations under Title VI of the Civil Rights Act to avoid the creation of a hostile environment based on, among other things, national origin. The situation presents an ongoing dilemma for schools as they attempt to balance rights of freedom of expression and free speech in keeping with their histories, where campuses have for decades been viewed as locations where dissension and disagreement has been not only tolerated but encouraged on the one hand, and on the other hand, avoiding situations where these kinds of disagreements and speech spill over into sort of hostile environment creating activities that can be the subject of enforcement actions under Title VI by OCR. To date, OCR has opened at least 100 separate investigations following the onset of the Israel-Hamas conflict back in October, so institutions are well advised to give this thought and to plan ahead for events that may transpire on their campuses. For additional information, please feel free to view the webinar, which you can connect to at the link appearing below.